Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1966 Pontiac GTO. Gorgeous car guys, beautiful paint, perfect day really to shoot this. Got a little bit of sunshine. This is, it is an original 242 GTO, so it's a real car, guys. PHS documented. This car has got 3,500 miles on a complete frame off rotisserie restoration. The bottom is painted like the top. And like I say, just a beautiful paint job, guys. This is, it's original burgundy car. This is original color combination. Burgundy with the parchment interior. They tell me that this is a PPG water-based paint. Now, I don't claim to be a paint expert, but I've never heard of that, but I'll tell you what, it's gorgeous. And now my detail guy, Eddie, he did know about it. And he said it's great stuff. But just super slick car. I can tell you we've had this car on the expressway at 80 miles an hour. It runs and drives excellent. Nice and tight. Just a great car. And like I say, just if you're a paint guy, you're gonna love the paint on this car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, the car, it was done 5 years ago, went through a frame off rotisserie restoration. Unfortunately, let's see, it looks like an original chrome there. The owner, I guess, passed away. He had owned this car since 1985. Matter of fact, there's a little ad in the paperwork we got when he bought it. Just gorgeous paint, like I say, great driver, real GTO, 242 car. And there is not a whole lot to pick on this car, guys. It is a nice car. Power rear antenna works. Look at the paint. I mean, this car is just beautiful. Apologize, guys. Got wax on it a little bit. I've seen that in a couple of the photos, but you can see the trim's nice, bumper's nice. Nice and straight down the sides. Those are American Racing billet rally 2s, which are really cool. It's got Uniroyal radial red lines on it. Brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust with the correct tips. That car is just slick, man. So they look like the factory Rally 2s, but that's actually a billet aluminum wheel. It's made by American Racing. And like I say, the bottom of this car is just as slick as the top. I put mirrors under it and show it. And I can't call it matching numbers, but it's got the original YS block in 66. They didn't put VINs on these blocks, but you can tell by the PHS that it was a YS engine. It's got the YS block in it. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the factory style air cleaner and valve covers, power steering. Power brakes. You can see it's got MSD ignition. They definitely put a new heater box in it. Still got the receipts on it. Original powerglide automatic transmission. Shifts out great. And like I say, man, I wouldn't be afraid to get in this thing and go anywhere. It drives out awesome. It's the blue key, Nathan. The blue key. I saw a little touch-up mark right there. this is a pretty something. Look at the paint on this car. Deep, deep shine. These are original. You kind of pick at them a bit. And of course, it's got the original mirror, same thing. The trim here looks like it's original. Door handles are original. So like I say, a few things you can kind of pick at. New door rubbers. You can see how nice the door seams are. I love the parchment interior. It's pretty. This is rare. Factory bucket seat column shift car. Now, as far as I know, I think these cars are called California Specials. New sill plates, new carpet. But again, all the Fisher body seat belts, but bucket seats, got the wood wheel. Factory wood grain dash, 3540. That's the miles on the car since it's been restored. Factory tach works, all the gauges work. It's got an aftermarket custom Audiosounds am-fm-cassette player. Stock padded dash. It's got the original owner's manuals in the glove box. Blower motor works. All the dash lights worked. Even the backup lights were working on this car. Again, new Flowmaster dual exhaust. Stock 323 10-bolt rear end. It's pretty cool. It's got the old bias ply redline spare still in the trunk. Still on the quarters, both sides. It's all spackle coated. This is your PHS. Again, there's a couple little things like when he bought it. I think some receipts for some of the tires and wheels, but I think that's it. Like I say, unfortunately, the previous owner actually passed away. So beautiful car. And again, we can see the bottom of this thing. Just gorgeous. Took some good pictures of the bottom of it. Floors are all painted burgundy. Yeah, I like this car, man. It is just pretty. I love this color combination, but I'll tell you, this paint just makes this car easy to love. They definitely repadded, refoamed the seats. They look great. Again, dash pad looks good. Like I say, drove out really nice and tight. Hit the road brake. You hear a little cam to it, nothing crazy. Tach works, gauges all work. Remote mirror works. Love the 66 taillights. I know those doggone backup lights work. I watched them work. Give it a little rev. Power antenna. You see that going down. The power antenna works. As soon as you power up the radio, it comes on. It's got some gangster music on there. Blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.